Hello everyone, this is a demo to show you how UploadCam can help you collect photos from your employees and your contractors. So I'm going to show you how to set up a team in UploadCam so you can invite users and have folders that they can upload photos to, like your employees can upload to those folders. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you here on the web browser as if you were the admin. So here I'm gonna create a team first, and I'm gonna invite some people, and then here on the iPhone side, on the simulator, I will show you how an employee would use it to upload photos to the folders that you set up. So the first step is to go to the admin portal, which is admin.uploadcamapp.com, and then choose the cloud provider that you're using. So I'm gonna use on this demo Google because I already have here some accounts set up. So I'm gonna follow the prompts and then continue to be able to log in. Once I'm logged in, it'll ask me to create my team. So here for now I'm just gonna call demo company and then choose your industry. So and then after this the next step is to choose where the folders are going to be saved, and the photos were going to be saved there. You're going to choose a folder. Like by default, UploadCam will create a folder in your personal Google Drive of the account that you use to log in. We recommend actually to use a shared drive. So if you have Google Workspace, then it's better to use a shared drive. So here you can do pick a custom folder, and then I had already created one called projects drive here, and a folder that I designated for UploadCam. So you should probably do the same. Before creating your team, you in Google Drive create a folder in a shared drive if you have shared drives, and if not, then within your own drive you can create a new folder and select that one. So once I select this, then my team can be created, and then the next step is to actually start inviting people to it. So you have, this is like the main page of the admin panel. You can also enable a domain. I will make a different video about that, but it basically allows you to set up or easily invite people who are already part of your company if you have like an email address that is associated with the company. But I will make a different video about that. For now, you can manually invite users here. So if I click here invite user, what I'm going to do is I'm going to invite here one of my colleagues. So I'm going to do demo at okay, so that obviously you enter like the emails of your employees, and then you can give them a role. You can decide if you want to enable a user default folder. So this is basically a folder that will be created already for them as a default place where they're gonna be able to upload photos to. So you can decide if you want that. That's useful when each of your employees will have one single folder. For other companies, perhaps you want to create project folders and then assign employees to those projects. So I'm gonna create it here so you see how it works, and I will have, okay, already then me who's here, and then one of the employees. I'm gonna go ahead and invite another one, just okay, the only requirement here is that they, have a Google account, so the email address that is associated with a Google account, so they can like log in. Because here I'm using Google. In the case of Dropbox or Microsoft, they will have to be also Dropbox or Microsoft accounts. So I'm gonna invite this other user. So now I have basically 3 people in my team. Okay, and then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm gonna go here to the folders section, and right now I don't have any basically shared folder in the company. I have some user folders, which are the 2 that I created, but I don't have any team folder. So the team folder you can think of as, for example, projects where multiple people will be contributing, or even just one person, but you want that to be shown in their mobile app. So I'm gonna add a folder here. I'm going to call it project XYZ. Okay, so Then that will create a folder within the root folder that we just configured in the onboarding. So this project AYZ, and then I can say, okay, who are the people assigned to this folder? So I'm gonna assign this email here, and I'm gonna create that folder. So that folder gets created. It is here. It's assigned to these two members of the team. And now what I'm gonna do is, as if I was an employee, I'm gonna log in here with one of the accounts I invited. So I am going to hit login with Google Drive. Again, this is something that your employee would do. Okay, and so you enter, well, they will have to enter their credentials. Okay, and follow like the regular login prompt. And I'm gonna say, yeah, continue. And then, okay, so then this is the first time I join, so it'll tell me invitation to join the team. So you've been invited to join this team. So I'm gonna accept that. And now it becomes part of your team. Okay, so actually here on the admin side, you would see that now the invitation here, this one has been accepted. For this one was still pending. So, okay, so then back to this side where the employee will be using the app. They can go to like the home screen, and they have their base folder, which is the user folder that we created. But then here on the team, they have the XYZ project that we created. Okay, so even if I create a second one, so let's go ahead and here create a new folder, and for this one, let's call it project ABC. Okay, that I will assign this one. If I do create a folder, then immediately that folder will be created here. Okay, actually it is assigning also the user demo. So all the folders that they basically have access to. Okay, so then if I do project ABC, I want to take new photos to it. So I will click here, allow the location. Okay, and okay, so here there is no camera because it's a simulator, but as I take photos, it'll generate some photos, it'll generate some images. Okay, those images will go here into the upload queue. They went up very fast because it's uploaded immediately. For now, I can also turn off the upload immediately setting. So then when I take the photos, okay, take a couple more photos, then you will see that here on the uploads tab, they're here ready to upload, and then they can start uploading. So they are now 4 photos have been uploaded. So here in this folder, they should be there. So I selected project ABC, exactly. Okay, here they are. The 4 photos that I took are right here. So these are the images that we uploaded, and this way you can collect these photos from this user. So again, here on the home screen, your employees will have listed all the folders that they've been assigned to. So next time you start a new project, you do the same thing. You create a folder for them, assign the people that are part of that you want to collect photos from them, and then they can easily select that from here. When they're in the camera, they can also just go here and then again select the one of the folders that they've been assigned to. So hopefully that gives you an overview of how it works. One more thing is that you can also see here in the activity log all the images that we have been uploading. So you can like filter by the folder that you create, or by who uploaded it, and a date range. Soon you'll be able also to assign GPS locations to folders. That's something that is coming up soon. And yeah, I hope you find this demo helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. Thanks.